If you've ever wondered, how do people download music off of YouTube for Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube videos, this is exactly how they do it and how you can do it too. After you've found whatever sound or song that you want to use from YouTube, go ahead and copy the link and head over to the website in the description. Paste your link. You can either select a MP3 or MP4 and convert it. Usually takes a couple minutes. If it opens to a new tab, quickly close it out. Sometimes there are weird websites that pop up or potentially wanting to give you a virus. I've been doing this for years and I've never had an issue with viruses, but it'll open up another page like that sometimes and it'll keep it open. So just close it out and it will be in your downloads folder. You can do the same thing if you want to download the actual video. Select MP4 instead, and you cannot change the quality of the video through this. It'll just, I think, send it as a, should be in here somewhere. But yeah, is it possible to change the file? No, it's 360p, so you can't change that. But that is how you get the sounds from YouTube.